Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to be making lunchroom cafeteria rolls. I don't know about y'all, but I'll be 54 in July, and that whenever I was in school, when we had the yeast rolls, you could smell them all over the school. So, just a quick reminder, thank you for joining me. If you're new, look around, see how you like us. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get started first. Alright. You're going to need a cup and 1 3/4 cup of warm water. You want to keep the water between 110 and 115. To this, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sugar. Oh, let me get a spoon. Turn that around a little bit. Well, I can't find anything. Get this dissolved up a little bit. The sugar doesn't really sweeten it. It kind of breaks the strong yeast taste up. And to this, you want to add 2 tablespoons of yeast. I'm using the active dry. I need to get some more too. Alright, what I'm going to do is you let this bloom for about 5 minutes and it's going to get foamy on top. So we'll bring you back whenever this is bloomed. Be right back. If you see, here it's bloomed. It's all foamy and everything. To this, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of powdered milk. I almost said powdered sugar. 1/3 cup of shortening. This is the Crisco butter flavored baking stick. Oops. I'm going to give this little beat. Not really going to do much. Oh goodness. Alright, I'm going to start off with 2 cups of flour. You can use all-purpose flour or bread flour. I am using bread flour. Now I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. This is Himalayan pink. It's what I have on hand. I'm going to add 1. I'm going to add 2 more cups. You can use between 4 and 5 cups of flour. Boy, I'm on a roll today. And today is Father's Day, and I'd like to take a moment and tell all my guys Happy Father's Day. Now, I'm not going to need this because I'm going to let my KitchenAid do all the work for me. As you can see, it's coming all together now. At this time, I'm going to let it do its work for about 4 or 5 minutes, and I'll bring you back when I'm getting ready to transfer it to a bowl to rise. Alright, look at it, it's all together now. So at this time, I've got a little bowl here, whoop, that I have sprayed with cooking spray. Okay, I guess you got smarter than the average bear for this one today. Okay, sorry about that. That came together perfectly. I didn't start making rolls till I got my KitchenAid for Christmas last year, but I didn't realize how easy it was just to make. But I really couldn't knead it for like 10 minutes on my own. Turn it over a couple of times, get it well greased, and then I'm gonna put some saran wrap over it, and you put it in a warm place. The best place I found it to be is in the oven with the light on. And you want to let it rise till it's doubled in size. Usually about an hour I'll do it, sometimes more, we'll see. So whenever it's risen, when it's doubled in size, we'll bring you back for the next part.